Dreaming of Soup, Dream Interpretations. Hello and welcome to Dream Interpretations. Today, we are exploring the warm and often comforting realm of soup in our dreams. Often dismissed as a mundane detail, dreaming of soup is actually a profound symbol of nourishment, emotional healing, and the blending of life experiences. When you see a bowl of soup, consider it a mirror reflecting your current internal state. If the soup is hot and hearty, your subconscious is likely telling you that you are successfully nurturing your emotional well-being and finding comfort in your daily routines. It signifies a period of replenishment, where your soul is recharging after a stressful encounter or a period of hard work. Conversely, if the soup is cold, tasteless, or spilling, it may suggest a sense of emotional neglect. Perhaps you feel as though your current path lacks the substance you need to thrive. Psychologically, soup is a concoction of many ingredients, much like our lives are a blend of experiences, relationships, and memories. Stirring the pot in a dream often represents your active participation in your own growth. Are you purposefully combining the right elements in your life to create a balanced result, or are you feeling overwhelmed by too many conflicting parts? Spiritually, soup represents the cauldron of transformation. It is the alchemy of taking separate, raw ingredients and simmering them together to create something entirely new and nourishing. This dream often appears when you are in a transition phase, refining your personality or healing old wounds. Pay attention to the people you are sharing the soup with. Sharing a meal in a dream signifies community and the importance of connecting with others to feel whole. If you are eating alone, it may be a call for introspection and self-care. Remember, your dreams are personal narratives shaped by your unique history. When you wake up, reflect on how you felt. Did you feel satisfied, or were you craving more? These emotional cues are the key to unlocking the true meaning behind the imagery. Take the time to nurture yourself today, just as your dream suggests. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery.